Hello everyone, we will see how to create a DAG in Apache Airflow. In Apache Airflow, DAG is written in Python, so it will be a Python file. So whenever you are writing Apache Airflow DAG, you should import JSON if you are going to have configuration file in JSON format. Rest of the packages are mostly Airflow, and from Airflow we will be importing DAG models, trigger rules if you want to trigger something out of some step, and there are operators available to perform some specific task. Suppose I want to run some bash script, there is a bash operator. Similarly, it has various operators available, so that is under package airflow operators, and operator name is bash operator, and import lib if required. Most important thing is you should define default arguments. For example, start date of the DAG. If it is DAG is recurrent or if it's not recurrent, it is irrespective of that. You should have the start date field mentioned with some value you want to give from which date you actually making this DAG live. Then there are few other default arguments. You can use it if it is required, like email on failure. If it is true, this DAG will send an email if this particular DAG is failed. Email on retry, then number of retries, and a retry delay. So after how much time I want to retry this DAG. Then we have to define a DAG. For that we imported DAG functionality. It has parameters, the name of DAG, then schedule interval if you are scheduling it, and default arguments that we just created. And then with the help of this syntax we will create a DAG named DAG DAG. Then we will actually try to import or try to ingest a file which is having a configuration. So this bash config is a file that I have created. This is in JSON format. So I just want to create some configurations. Suppose number 1, number 2, then script path. These are the variables that I want to resolve in my tag. So I have to ingest it and open it, and once it is opened, I with the help of JSON object I will load it into one variable, and then there should be a command that will run inside this bash operator. So that command is also written here, bash script.sh. And if you want to see what is the command inside, I'll show you. It's a simple echo command. Whatever number it is receiving, it is displaying the bash script number. Then for whatever number of parameters available, for example there are 3 parameters available in JSON, we are trying to loop that particular param file for all the configurable items, and for all of them this task1 will run. And how task1 will run, it will call a bash operator by giving the parameters. So task id will be the same name that we have configured here. Then bash command we have just written in this file that I shown you. Then paramf will be the particular parameters for this particular iteration. For example, this is the first iteration, all of them will be inside this params, and the DAG that we just created, that is also one of the parameter. This one, this complete DAG will be given as a parameter to that operator, and then that operator will know that yes, this task1 will run this command for this DAG. Then if you want to attach some documentation, you can attach. It will just be a visible thing, it will not be it just like a comment. And then we have to mention that this task needs to be run. If I have 2 tasks, I have to schedule it one after the other, for example like this. So task 1 will run, then task 2 will run, but as we are not having, so I'll not write it. So this is what the syntax is. We'll see how to run it, and this is the basic syntax, and all the DAGs will have similar syntax that I shown you. Thank you for watching this video. Let's data.